Hello, Bill Schierl here at Plover Tire and Service with Heather, and we're here to talk about all about the car tip. So, with spring, summer sort of coming around the corner, the first thing that I think of is wheel alignments.
Yes, that is a super big thing this time of year, especially with our winter roads warming up and everything. We see a lot of potholes starting this time of year, so alignments can really go out of whack once you start hitting those potholes, and it's a really good idea to get those checked.
And how long does an alignment check take?
Typically takes only like 30 to 45 minutes. We can get you in, get you going on your way then, and get you back to your work life.
Fantastic, because alignment of my tires, it can really change the wear.
It can. It can really start messing with the wear on your tires, and you'd see a lot different, tread life and everything can really go down if you're out of alignment.
So what are other things that you can think of for getting ready for spring and summer?
Yeah, another thing that's really hard on your vehicle in winter is actually just the wiper blades themselves. You're seeing a lot of salt and everything they're trying to scratch up and start falling apart. You purchase a pair of them through us here, and you get a free installation with them, so you don't even have to bother with going outside and trying to mess with that yourself.
That's fantastic, and those are for all the people who clear their windshield during the winter with their blades versus a scraper.
Yeah.
Sometimes I've done that. I've been known to do that.
Yeah.
So, also, I always think of a car wash.
Yeah, car washes especially. You get all that salt on your vehicle and you miss a lot of those scratches and everything that can happen. So it's a really good idea. Go ahead, get it cleaned up. Just take a look, see where your vehicle's at. If you're seeing any rust spots or anything like that, and just keep a nice maintenance on your vehicle.
Fantastic. Thank you, Heather, for all these tips about getting ready for spring and summer. Hopefully it'll be here soon.
Oh, right? I'm ready for it. I'm ready for that nice, warm Wisconsin weather.
Exactly. We'll see you next time.